So here are good morning students. So now we are doing the conversion of the alcohol. First is methanol to ethanol, formaldehyde to butane 1-ol, ethanol to propane 2-ol, acetaldehyde to isopropyl alcohol, then acetone to 2-methyl propane 2-ol, propanone to tertiary butyl alcohol, benzaldehyde to 1-phenyl ethanol, formaldehyde to benz alcohol. Okay, so in this way, in this position we will do the starting. Okay, so in a solution also you can write down like this. It is your wish how you can write down. So in a methanol, first of all we make a methanol. Okay, so here C double bond O, in this one 2H is present with CH3 MgCl. In the presence of this, it forms CH3CH2OMgCl, methane, ethane. Okay, it forms a ethanol now. Now, with the presence of the water, it forms here CH3CH2OH with MgCl and OH will come here. Fine. Next one is formaldehyde to butane 1-ol. So here again C double O HH we have taken. Then we have taken CH3, CH2, CH2, MgCl. With the presence of HOH, we are using CH3, CH2, CH2, Mg. Then again HOH is present here. Then methane, ethane, propane, butane will come here. Okay, this is if we will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, it means 1-ol. So butane 1-ol. Fine. And plus MgClOH. Third one. Next, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th one. Formaldehyde to benzyl alcohol. Okay, benzyl alcohol. So in this one you can see C double bond O, H is present here. C6H5 MgCl to form C6H5CH2 MgCl. In the presence of the water with this reagent, here it is coming as CH2OH MgClOH. Okay. Now here third position is coming. Third is ethanol to propane 2-ol. Then again same thing, C double O CH3H CH3 MgX. Okay, and formation will takes place with CH3 CH2 CH2 MgX. Then in the presence of the water it forms as CH3 CH. In this CH downside OH is coming with CH3 plus MgOHCl. The proper number you can see it from here on this one side. Don't make it wrong. Okay, according to the number you can write down in your copy, and this thing is very important beta. Fine. Next is C double bond O CH3 CH3 plus CH3 MgCl to gives tertiary CH3 with C MgCl. In the presence of HOH, CH3 COH with MgClOH. Okay, now next is seventh one. Seventh one is said as benzyl aldehyde to 1-phenyl ethanol. Okay, benzyl aldehyde. So in a benzyl aldehyde what will happen? This become C here double bond A, C. When it will come here double bond O, here CH3 MgX. Okay, so what will happen here? Here it will come as H. Fine. CH3 MgX, it will form as this one benzaldehyde CH3 HOMgX. In the presence of HOH, it form as benzene with COH-CH3. Understood this much, student? After this, from primary amine. When alkyl primary amine are reacted with NaNO2 and with HCl, we get alcohol. So with the primary amine, these all preparations are taking place. Okay. So CH3NH2 with NaNO2 and HCl to give CH3OHN2. CH3NH2 with HNO2 gives CH3OHN2. Now preparation of ethanol with fermentation method. By the fermentation method is taking place. When the fermentation method is taken place, we should all know about the sugar industries are there. Here sucrose, galactose will come, all these things will come na. Invertase, zymase will take place, fine. So here what will happen, C12H22O11 react with the water, invertase taking place and form as C6H12O6, that is glucose, and fructose C6H12O6. Okay, now this C6H12O6 glucose now react with the zymase, 2 forms 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. This is the preparation of ethanol from fermentation, fine. Now next the preparation from starch and maltose. Okay, so C6H10O5 with N means it may be N1, 2, 3. Diester, C12H22O11 maltose is coming. C12H22O11, this one with water, maltose to form as C6H12O6 glucose with 2 atoms. This C6H12O6 2 atoms form in the presence of zymase gives C2H5OH 2 atoms with 2 CO2. Understood, beta? Now this types of alcohols we will do from tomorrow. Till here, please try to do in your copies. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.